Welcome to Learn Tech. Do you want to learn to type faster? Typing is one of the most important skills you need to learn in today's technology-driven world. Typing speed is measured in terms of words per minute or WPM. And the average typing speed is 40 WPM. Today, I'm going to teach you how to learn to type faster. First, you need to place your fingers on the home keys. Place the fingers of your left hand lightly on the A, S, D, F keys. Place the fingers of your right hand lightly on the J, K, L semicolon keys. You may use either your left or right thumb for the space bar. These are your home keys. Since typing is a skill, you need to practice at least 5 minutes every day to master it. There are many software available to help you improve your typing skills. Today, I'm going to introduce one of those software, the Ainsworth Keyboard Trainer 5, which is a free typing software. First of all, let's download this software. Open Google. Search for Ainsworth Keyboard Trainer. Then click Download. Follow the steps as shown on the video. And there you go. You have downloaded the Ainsworth Keyboard Trainer 5. Let's now start practicing. In the search box, type AIN. Once you see the Ainsworth keyboard, click it. Click Keyboard Trainer 5. Type your name, then click Lessons, Begin Alphabet Key Lessons. You may now type letters as shown on the screen. Make sure to include space if needed and type the keys using the correct finger. Ainsworth will indicate if you made a mistake by showing the text in red. You may use the backspace to erase the letters from the right. Ainsworth will give you your words per minute and accuracy. Do not be discouraged if you get a low WPM this time. Remember, like any other skills, practice makes perfect. So tell me, what is your words per minute? Please write in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.